Foldable smartphones have been on the market for a few years now, and they're all getting slightly better with each iteration, but there is always something that stops me from fully making the switch. Whether it be the camera system, the cover display, or the phone's durability, something just makes me think maybe next year. The Google Pixel Fold is Google's first attempt within the foldable market, and it is a ridiculously good first attempt. Let's get into it. Let's start things off by talking about the design. The Google Pixel Fold is an absolutely stunning device. With its seamless, foldable display, it showcases the perfect blend of elegance and innovation. The device feels premium in your hand thanks to its robust build quality and attention to detail. If you watched my unboxing video, you'll know that this was one of the first things that stood out to me. Whether you're using it in its folded or unfolded state, the Pixel Fold looks incredible. Now let's talk about the display. The Google Pixel Fold boasts a stunning 7.6-inch flexible OLED display. The colours are vibrant, the contrast is exceptional, and the brightness levels are impressive. But what sets this display apart is its ability to seamlessly fold, offering a truly immersive experience. Watching videos, playing games, or multitasking on this display is an absolute delight. When it comes to the folding mechanism, Google have nailed it. The Pixel folds effortlessly, and the hinge feels sturdy and durable. It's engineered to withstand thousands of folds without compromising the overall functionality. Plus, it is worth mentioning that the crease is noticeable during regular usage, but when looking at it head on with the screen turned on, it becomes very difficult to see, allowing for an uninterrupted visual experience. The one thing I have noticed though is the plastic screen protector Google are using does not seem to get very close to the edge. Because of this, I've had a lot of lint and dust stick around the edge of the display, which can be quite annoying. The cover display on this thing is really what sets it apart from other foldables in my opinion. After using the Galaxy Z Fold 4, I found myself not being able to use the cover display comfortably to do even basic things like type out a message. Whilst yes, I was able to open the phone up and use the internal display to start typing, sometimes I just want to be able to use my folding phone like I would a normal phone. This is where the Pixel Fold shines. The aspect ratio on the cover display is absolutely perfect. I have no issues typing on this display at all because the phone has been made in a way that makes it feel like I'm using a normal smartphone, with the added benefit of being able to unfold into this mini tablet. Google really have done well with the dimensions of this phone. Moving on to the cameras, the Pixel Fold does not completely disappoint. It features a versatile camera setup including 12 megapixel primary sensor, a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, a 48 megapixel telephoto lens, and 2 selfie cameras, one on the cover display and one on the internal display. The image quality is good with sharp details, accurate colours and decent low light performance. Google's computational photography yet again shines through, making every shot look like it was taken with more advanced hardware. That being said, this is not the best camera system on any Pixel, and I also don't think it is good enough to replace the camera system in something like an iPhone 14 Pro, if that happened to be your current personal device. I am hoping Google continue to work on the Pixel Fold in this area and ship its flagship camera technology in the Fold, because this will definitely make it a compelling device for more people out there. The ability to take advantage of the folding technology and use the rear cameras to take selfies is also impressive, and these pictures do come out extremely sharp. But yeah, overall a decent camera system, so for those of you not too bothered about having the very best cameras in your pocket, this Fold will more than do the job. Now let's talk software. The Pixel Fold runs the latest version of Android, optimized specifically for its unique folding form factor. Google have taken full advantage of the larger screen real estate, providing an intuitive and immersive user interface. Multitasking is a breeze thanks to Google's attempt at app continuity, allowing you to seamlessly switch between folded and unfolded states without any disruptions. There are certain certain applications, Twitter being one of them, that are not fully optimized for this display yet. For those specific apps, the Pixel Fold allows you to move the UI to the left or to the right of the display. However, I haven't seen enough people talk about this. Most of these apps will actually work perfectly fine without any black borders at all if you just turn the phone. So like this, regardless of whether it's Twitter or YouTube Shorts, these apps definitely work better. Now as for the performance, the Pixel is powered by Google's G2 Tensor chip, the same chip found in the Pixel 7 Pro. It does seem like the performance is very similar to the 7 Pro, so in other words, this is a very capable device and does not have any issues whatsoever when carrying out day-to-day tasks. Battery life is always a concern with foldable devices, and the Pixel Fold is not really an exception. I was able to get through a full day of usage, but only because of Android Auto. Using Android Auto in my car when driving to and from work means I have the Fold on charge multiple times each day. Because of this, I'm able to get through a day without issues. However, if you're looking for something that will easily last a full day without needing to charge it at all, then this might not work very well for you. The Fold does support fast charging, so you can quickly top up when needed, but Google definitely need to work on this with future Fold iterations. Okay, so to wrap up, whilst it's not perfect, I do genuinely think the Google Pixel Fold is a game changer in the world of foldable smartphones. It's a testament to Google's commitment to pushing boundaries and delivering innovative technology through their software and now also their hardware. With its stunning design, immersive display, exceptional cameras and seamless software experience, the Pixel Fold sets a new standard for foldable devices. This thing has so much potential, and in a couple of years from now, I think this could be the perfect smartphone. Let me know what you think about this Fold down in the comments. Do you think it's worth the massive price tag, or are you still not sold on the whole foldable idea? If you enjoyed this video, then smash the thumbs up button and think about subscribing. I really would appreciate that, it helps a lot. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.